So let's do the last one. This is Z. Okay, breathe in. Now, in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hold it. And out on a Z. Last set, in. And hold it. And out. So these 3 exercises I'd like you to do daily with a breath, with a S and with a Z. And over time you will improve your breath control and you'll find it so much easier when it comes to singing.